English-Bulgarian basics. What is, equals.
Какво е?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey friend. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and fun drills. Today we unlock the tiny super question, what is, in Bulgarian.
Какво е?
It is your pocket key to names, labels, and mystery objects. Ready to sound smart and a little funny while learning fast? Let's go. Your goal today. In minutes, you'll ask anything, what is, with confidence and understand common answers. Target phrase.
Какво е?
Equals, what is. Use it when pointing at an unknown thing, a tool, a snack, a shiny museum artifact. Gesture hack. Raise your eyebrows, palms up, slight head tilt, then say.
Какво е?
Pro tip. Don't mix it up with
Как е?
which means how is. Pronunciation boost. Let's make it musical and easy to repeat. Say it slowly.
Какво?
Kahk vo, rising, then
Е.
a short fall. Hum it first. Two-note rise on.
Какво?
Short fall on.
Е.
Now speak it.
Какво е?
Again, with rhythm. Clap clap, pause, say it.
Какво е?
Mini dialogues. Listen, smile, and repeat after me. A. You point at a round thing.
Какво е?
B.
Това е компас.
This is a compass. A. In class you whisper.
Какво е?
B.
Това е книга.
This is a book. At the museum. You.
Какво е?
Guide.
Това е артефакт от Тракия.
This is an artifact from Thrace. Comedy break. A curious cat taps a laptop and meows, then on screen you read.
Какво е?
The cat is clearly learning Bulgarian. Drill time. Your turn, short prompts, quick echoes. Point at your nearest object and ask.
Какво е?
Answer pattern. This is, equals.
Това е.
Try it with anything around you. Scenario. You taste a new fruit. Say.
Какво е?
Then reply.
Това е киви.
Scenario. You feel a textured object. Ask.
Какво е?
Answer.
Това е карта.
This is a map. Culture tip. A quick note to sound natural and polite. In Bulgarian classrooms and tours, curiosity is welcome. Students often ask teachers.
Какво е?
When a new word appears, pair your question with a friendly smile and a nod, then you'll often hear a clear label starting with.
Това е.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal solutions after a short pause. 1. How do you ask, what is, in Bulgarian? Answer.
Какво е?
2. You point at a gadget. Ask, then answer, this is a pen.
Какво е? Това е химикал.
3. True or false.
Какво е?
Means, where is. False, it means, what is. Final challenge. Level up with a tiny role play. You are in a museum in Sofia. Point at an artifact label and ask.
Какво е?
Guide answers with the pattern.
Това е.
Plus the object's name. You repeat both lines with a confident voice. Wrap up. You did great today. Tiny phrase, huge power. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, what is, equals.
Какво е?
Whenever you see something new, and answer with.
Това е.
For more lessons, games, and culture bites, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.